Hey, this is Jake over here at Truck Ranch in Logan. Wanted to get you a closer look at the 2023 GMC Canyon that you have interest in. Really nice truck all the way around. Some nice aluminum wheels, running a Falcon Wild Peak tire front and rear. Lots of tread life left. Got a set of nice factory running boards. Keyless entry, 360 camera system. Just look at that rear tire. It's got a nice roll-up bed cover. Factory tow prep, your rear park assist, nice spray-in bed liner. Overall, the body on the truck is in excellent shape, very well cared for. No major dings or dents on it. Front tire. Got a nice chrome front end, all your LED lighting, fog lamps. Really sharp looking truck. Lots of detail on the interior with all your cross stitching. You got all your power options, memory seating, power seats. The seats in great shape. Automatic lighting, built-in trailer brake controller, adaptive cruise control. Got heated seats, heated steering wheel. Truck currently shows 53,524 miles. Truck idle smooth, nice and quiet. There's a look of your 360 camera there. Wireless charging. Got all your drive modes with 4-wheel drive. On the fly. Passenger seat looks like new. 2 keys with the truck. Remote start. Back seat's also in great shape. Rear vents, headliner's nice and clean. You got a sunroof on this one too. Pop the hood, show you the engine bay here. Nice and clean under the hood. Fresh service on the truck, oil, all your fluids have been changed. Really good looking truck. If you have any more questions on this one, I'd love to tell you more about it. Feel free to reach me directly at the desk, 435-554-1685. We'll talk to you then. Thanks.